So today let us have a little look at the syllabus of Chaudhary Charan Singh University Meerut of BA first year, paper second, English grammar and phonetics. There will be unit 3, unit first, unit second and unit third. From unit first there will be objective questions. Each question will carry only 1 mark, means there will be 7 questions in each category, out of which you will have to attempt only 5 questions and they will carry the 10 marks, means unit first will carry only 10 marks. The syllabus of this unit will be fill in the blanks related to correct use of articles, noun, pronoun, correction of sentences related to subject-verb agreement. Unit second, same objective questions. Each questions will carry only 1 mark. So there will be 7 questions in each category and you will have to attempt only 5 questions. It will also carry, the unit second, it will also carry 10 marks, means 10 marks from unit first and 10 marks from unit second. The syllabus of unit second will be just like this: transformation of direct narration into indirect narration and transformation of active sentence into passive sentences, correction of sentences related to conjunction and preposition. Unit third, it will carry long questions and there will be only 5 questions. Out of 5, you will have to attempt only 3. So unit third, it will carry in total only 30 marks. And this unit is very important because it is taking 30 marks and there will be long questions. The syllabus of third unit will be just like this. Phonetics. This paper will be of phonetics. Airstream mechanism, organs of speech, respiratory system, phonatory system, articulatory system. Next one will be classification of speech sounds, vowels and consonants. Next one, phonetic transcription, monosyllabic and disyllabic word. Next one, accented and unaccented syllables. This will be of your unit third phonetics paper.